Hello guys, how are you doing today? Okay, the thing is I'm here to review Bijoy Hussain because I wanted to write a review, but then I realized making a video review is better than writing a review, right? So recently I had an issue with my Google Merchant account, and I had like around 95,000 products which I was not able to fix with anybody. I tried several guys who promised me to fix it, but I was not able to get through that. Finally, I met Mr. Bijoy Hussain, and he really helped me all the way to fix my all the issues, and he made it possible that I can use the Google Merchant account all over again for my ads and everything. I can show you that how it looks like now. It's really. I had like a 95,000 products, and he cleared everything. So guys, if you're looking for services for Google Merchant Center, I think he's the right guy. Please go ahead. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.